Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into a C program called Grade Ledger. It's a simple menu-driven tool for managing student grades built using just standard C libraries. Let's break it down line by line. So, right at the top, we include our two headers, sharp include stdio.h for input and output. And the second header is sharp include string.h for handling strings. We also define two constants. So the first constant is file dot underscore name is set to grades.txt. This is where our data lives. And the second constant is max underscore line is 100, the max number of characters per line. So the first function, add record, handles adding new student it asks for. So it asks for a six-digit student ID, the full name in surname, first and format, and grade from 0 to 100. We open a file in append mode using fopen, write the data with fprint, and then close it. Simple and effective. So the second one is list records. For list underscore records, open the file and it reads each entry using fgets. It then prints them only one by one if the file doesn't exist. It shows a message saying no records found. It's our quick way to see all students' data. The next one is search underscore by underscore ID. The user inputs a student ID. The function loops through each line using scanf to pull out the ID, name, and grade. If it finds a match, it prints the detail. Otherwise, it tells you the ID wasn't found. The next one is void date underscore grade. Is a bit more involved. It creates a temporary file and goes through each record. If it finds the matching ID, it writes the updated grade to the new file. Everything else stays the same. Finally, it replaces the original file with the updated one, making sure nothing gets lost. The next one is void class stats. So void underscore stats reads all the grades, adds them up, and keeps track of the highest and lowest score at the end. It prints the total number of students, the average grade, the lowest and highest grades. Now for the main menu. Now for the main function, it uses do while loop to display a menu with six options. For the first one, A is to add a new student, L is for the list of all records. S, search by ID. U, update a grade. C, view all class statistics. And Q, quit the program. User input is handled with a switch statement and it works whether you type uppercase or lowercase letter. So, a quick recap, the program uses grades.txt to store data, reads and writes one line at a time, and keeps each function focused and safe. Everything is cleanly separated and easy to follow. And that's the full walkthrough of Grade Ledger. If this helped you understand C programming a bit better, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment about which code you'd like me to break down next. Catch you next time.